Pro Tools Carbon includes a comprehensive set of monitoring controls which are easily accessible from the front of the device on color-coded switches and indicators. You can attach and enable up to 3 pairs of stereo monitors, starting with the main set A, which is assigned to the TRS connectors on the back of the unit. 2 additional pairs of speakers can be enabled from the hardware setup window in Pro Tools, where Alt1 and Alt2 monitors can be engaged and connected to the D-sub line outputs 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on the back of the unit. You can see main Alt1 and Alt2 monitor sets, each color coordinated with the dedicated A, B and C speaker selection switches next to the monitor encoder. From the I/O setup window in Pro Tools, the main and Alt1 monitor pairs are assigned to the main mix output since we have 2 pairs of speakers in our studio, our primary monitors, as well as a set of smaller speakers for checking compatibility with other playback environments. Since Alt2 has not been assigned to the monitor section, its stereo path, which uses line outputs 3 and 4, is available as a standard output for routing using I/O paths in Pro Tools. You can see in the I/O setup window that the main stereo mix path is currently routed to both the main monitor's green and the Alt1 monitor's yellow, in addition to our first set of headphones, HP1, which is being used as a reference for the engineer. The monitor section of Carbon allows you the flexibility to balance resources between the control room and the standard outputs which are addressable by Pro Tools. You can see in the bus tab of I/O setup, our main mix path is mapped to monitor left-right and Alt1 is unavailable since it is mirroring the same main path. The monitoring controls for Carbon, oriented on the right side of the unit, include a central data wheel used to attenuate the monitors and headphones. Toggling between near-field monitors and headphones is as simple as pressing either of the illuminated speaker or headphone switches. While controlling speakers or headphones, pressing the data wheel successively will also cycle between controlling each of the enabled monitors. You can simply press a speaker switch to select an active speaker set, then grab the monitor encoder to adjust it to the desired level. Pressing the active speaker switch a second time will mute the selected outputs. When muted, the color-coded indicators for the selected monitors illuminate in red. Engaging the dim switch will attenuate the current speaker set by the value assigned in the hardware setup window. A dedicated LED program meter provides a valuable reference for the main monitor path from Pro Tools. Pro Tools Carbon includes a flexible set of controls to easily connect and manage multiple sets of speakers directly from the front interface. The integrated control room section maintains the excellent fidelity of the audio interface from capture to delivery and provides efficient monitor functions, helping you to quickly navigate a recording session. For more information and other videos, visit the Pro Tools Carbon page on avid.com.